Hey there, my name is Sagar. So today I would like to talk about very important topic that people are sometimes get into trap of high ticket selling. First of all, I would like to give you the disclaimer like this content, something I'm going to share, which is like excluding of the people specifically for the very experienced person. Okay, they have actually good result or something, but since as I know, like I love to help the new people in the market, and that's how I get passion to serve. Okay, because I've been through that journey. I know the biggest pain lies in the newcomer, those who are just entering into the this world, and after some time whenever they get cheated or something happened, they just give up. Okay, so I wanted to help them because I feel more I get more satisfaction by helping those people. Even I know that I'm making small money from them, but still I'm very much happy that at least I can help them to move from zero to at least one. That is my goal. I'm not here to just to sell to already who are doing a lot of good. For them, this video is not for them, but specifically this message is for someone just starting out. Maybe they're struggling to get the first sale, or maybe they started getting sales, but somehow they get stuck again. So this is for them. Now, who are all those people who can really get benefit out of it? Specifically for the new coaches, new affiliate marketers, or new service providers, because these are three phases. Even I have somehow gone through this journey. Service things is I'm very less experience, but specific to coaching and affiliate, I have a good experience, at least minimum 1 year of experience. If you see like affiliate, I have 2 years of experience. So let's talk about now high ticket selling. So last to last video, I talk about the mentor trap. Okay, now this is a one of the another extension version of that. So when it comes to high ticket selling, the first point I would like to bring out here, it is not just about selling high ticket. It is about what it takes to build that high ticket product or high ticket offer. Let's take an example of a coach. A coach means like you are actually helping somebody to give them result. Now, let's suppose you are getting started and you charge somebody high ticket. Okay. For India market, I would like to say 1 lakh is high ticket. And whatever charging, this is the basic principle of marketing, you should give at least 10x value. At least that is the calculation that we, whenever we make offer, that is what we do. Minimum 10x to 20x. Now, if you're charging 1 lakh and you do need to give 10 lakhs value at least, are we ready to actually give that value? Are we really qualified to give that value? So that is something we need to, do you have a skill to actually give that value? So rather than, I feel somehow if somebody just getting into the like into coaching industry and they start charging high ticket, sometimes I feel cheated because after that sometimes I feel not everyone I'm talking about, but maximum people, those who are just starting out, if you're selling high ticket, maybe somehow they are not able to give the result, and that actually getting the problem for the person who is purchasing that high ticket, maybe by taking loans or something like they have invested a bit. If somebody invested with having a lot of money, that's okay, but just think about that person. That person actually trusts you, believe you. But so now for that, what are the solutions? I like to give the first solution is like we can give them the front end offer, something low ticket or mid ticket at least, and so that we'll see like whether and test the market whether your product is really working or not. Then when you see like that value, don't do not give to like everything, just maybe you give them something that you can give them some result within 30 days. Then if you see that it is working, then you can keep on creating next level of offer, next level of value ladder. That's the first thing I would like to share. Okay, I would like to share also in the perspective of like service provider. As you are a service provider just starting out, most of the services I connected to, they are funnel builder or Facebook ads expert. Sometimes I've seen like the new beginners, they are not very much in depth knowledge about the funnel building or any service they are providing, because they are just starting out the giving services. Maybe they have just started taking some beta clients or something. Now if you charge somebody, if that quality is not good, again your brand image will hamper. That is what I believe. Like maybe your perspective could be different. You can share what is your perspective. This is my perspective that you should go with the value ladder concept by creating a like a low ticket or mid ticket offer to test the market. Then we see, okay, we are able to give the results. Then we jump into the next thing. Every like high ticket affiliate marketer today, they are successful. They have gone through this journey. Somehow other way, maybe selling affiliate product or something. They started the journey with affiliate. Now they are suggesting that everyone to start with affiliate marketing. But there is a disclaimer that if somebody is starting out, just started learning the I would say the skill, not suggesting them to directly jump into the high ticket. That comes to the next step. What are the problem challenges these people face when it comes to really making high ticket offer? So the second point I would like to share, that when you don't have that authority or the trust factor, people don't want to invest high ticket. Now, what I've seen going through the value-added concept recently, I actually implement two things: directly pitching to the my high ticket offer, and going through the my level one offer, where actually people get value. Then when I ask them high ticket, because they've seen that my value is like worth for it, paying for it, and they got immense value. Then when I ask for them, literally what I used to struggling to like get, I charged 5x amount. Now that person paid. So that is the like part, because I give a lot of value in my level one and level two, I directly skip to my level two and just tried something last month and directly I shifted to level three, and person paid because level one was super valuable. They didn't think about, okay, I will go two, then I'll go three. They directly jump into level three because they saw the value. For that, you need to have a proper upsell system. Like you are not taking lot more time, like 3 month time to wait for to make them next level offer. You have to be you have to seeding them throughout your journey. What is the next offer is all about. Otherwise, they will get disconnected and you will lose the sale. Maybe they will go to any other places. So what I would suggest is like maybe start with low ticket or mid ticket offer, so that what I've learned even Russell Brunson or maybe some other things, I cannot remember who told this. Sell the thing that is easy sell, that sells the thing that hard sell. Easy sell is like low ticket offer. Definitely some people say that it is easier to sell high ticket offer than low ticket. Yes, I agree with that. But when it comes to volume game, I would like see like, yeah, it is easier to sell the low ticket and build the volume game in the ground level, and from that volume game you actually filter out the best people from to the next level. That is the next. For that you need to have a proper upsell system. Okay, how you are actually seeding them and proper taking the value add. Okay, now the third thing where it comes to like consistency of sales, I would say like rather than waiting to get like one high ticket sales in 3 to 6 months, it's better to have like 4 to 5 mid ticket offer, because that will help you to keep your cash flow going. Okay, because I have seen that my personal journey, I've seen a lot of people actually give up their market because they're not able to get any high ticket sales. I would say recommend if they have started selling a low ticket or mid ticket where they could test the market out, then based on that result, based on their like feedback from the market, then they could improvise and uh, raise their price. So that is something like the three aspect I would like to share. Let me know your thought about it. I would love to hear. What do you think about the like directly giving high ticket offer, or you need to go through the value ladder and these things. As I mentioned, it is a disclaimer. It is not for every other market, because I know that even I am okay. I read this book called like 100 million offers. Even I also agree with Alex Hormozy, where he mentioned about Tesla model, where he is coming from high ticket to low ticket, because first you make money, then you put to scale it up in the lower level. Okay, that is also a good way, but I believe his concept is more of talking about the people who are at least good at their skill, they deliver these things. Or that even I also started it, because I was good at like selling the stuff almost 1.5 years uh, past. So for me, sell, high ticket selling was easy because I sold a lot of ClickFunnels subscription and all. So that's why I started launching my level 3 first, then level 2. Now I'm going to launch my level 1. My process is also these things, but I actually started selling my first coaching, that is 1600 rupees something. That was my first testing product. I was testing the market. Then I guess I started promoting OFA challenge, which is $100. Now my last sold, like something sold, which is like 2500. I got 2 sales in last 30 days. So that was all about like what it takes to build this high ticket product is not just about mm, even just entering the market and sell high ticket offer. Got it? If you got it, type got it in the chat box and let me. I love to hear about your perspective, because this is not something about whatever I share. Like it is my just my own perspective. Would love to hear and let me know how do you like about this particular content. Thank you so much for watching. And if you would like to get more such updates, do not forget to join my Telegram group, where I actually keep updating you every moment I actually post, I'll get you notified to your mobile. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for your patience. Bye bye. Take care.